Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this NATRKE portable cube storage, 14 by 14 inches, organizer, stackable storage, 16 cubes, and it's listed on Amazon for around $70. And when I ordered it, I thought, yeah, these are like stable plastic things, but they are not really stable. So you can see it's just like a plastic foil which is glued or somehow, yeah, with hot glue or something like that. They put the thing into or in between of these metal straps here. It's definitely not the same thing as you would have with normal hard plastic. I mean, yeah, you can see in the listing already it has some limitation regarding the weight. It's saying 10 pounds probably per shelf, which is 5 kilograms, so that's not much. I mean, they are pretty large. You can see I moved this thing a little bit around and you can see my hand. You can put really large things, but only lightweight things. I mean, these things are really deep. You can see really deep, pretty wide. I mean, you can see almost 2 hands. So it covers quite some space, quite some volume. And I mean, you get a 4x4, again, 16. And here we have only 2 of them. You can see the end result here. 16, so we have only 1/8 of the whole thing here. So I wanted to show you this pretty quickly. Here's the assembly manual if you're interested into that. Here's the second page. There is not more than that. I mean, there's not much needed. It's pretty much common sense. You could even do that without instructions. Here we have these hanging things, hanging straps. I think you have to apply them before you mount them together. I'm not sure if you can do that after that. Yeah, probably it's not possible. You have to do that first, at least before you add the top here. So you have to decide what to do. It's pretty easy and straightforward to do. I mean, you have to push these things into the corners. That's the heavier things. You can see that here. I'm just doing one here, and yeah, I have to really push. I mean, not extremely hard, but you can see, so it tends to bend a little bit. You have to be careful not to destroy these things, but what you have to make sure also that you go till the very end. With these metal straps here. I mean, you can do it loose, a little bit loose at the beginning, and then you can push the whole shelf down to the floor and secure it. That's usually possible. So how much time is needed at the end? I did this in about 5 minutes. And I would expect the same thing for the rest of it. You start with the 2 bottom plates, and then you add the corners, and then you push the things down, and then the top, and then also the door. It's pretty easy. You just push this thing inside here. Yeah, I can't remove that behind the camera, but anyway, it's not bad. By the way, here we have the magnetic door stoppers. So when you close it, it's, yeah, locked somehow, maybe. Not much, but it's okay, I would say, but you cannot really overfill and then squeeze it and expect that it will keep everything inside. It's very loose. Also here, this thing here, yeah, go a little bit closer here. Somehow the shape is a little bit bent. Maybe it's just at the beginning, maybe it will stabilize with more boxes at the end. I'm not sure. I think I have adjusted everything as much as possible, but you can see it. I'm still not able to really close that. I mean, I can lift the door and close it somehow, but I think it's far from being perfect. I mean, it's not a $200 shelf, but still it is $70. Yeah, it's not really super cheap. It's hard to really give you some kind of recommendation. At the beginning, when I got this box here, I was totally disappointed. Now, after the first 2 boxes, yeah, it's some kind of a little bit of a mixed feeling. Somehow it works, but again, there's some really limited weight which you can use. I mean, it's pretty stable, I can tell you. I think when you have it all together, everything, and filled it a little bit, and then it will be pretty stable. I think it could be a good thing to put this into a cabinet as a shelf so to avoid of extra dust or so, to have it a little bit organized, to be able to use the space a little bit better. I definitely wouldn't use this outside. It's not a beautiful thing. I mean, you can see these things where they have been gluing this or hot gluing this. On the picture it looks like it's a really fancy shelf. You can put it outside in the living room, fancy stuff, but it's actually not so much. But in a cabinet, why not? Maybe it's just a little bit too expensive for a cabinet, and maybe in a garage, but then it doesn't support enough weight probably. It's hard to tell you where to really use it. I just wanted to show you that the quality is not really bad, it's not really good, something in between. It's up to you to decide if it's useful or not, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out, order direct from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.